And I've deployed thousands, of machines, both BITMAIN machines and other brands, over the past few years of operations. This has been the best deployment we've had so far. I've only had one computer out of the several thousand that needed a power supply being replaced. So for me, that's quite impressive. As an operator, I'm impressed by that. And when we're talking about stability, with an air-cooled machine, there's a temperature swing from hot to cold every day, from the coldest point of the day to the hottest point of the day. And that just causes that chip and all the small components to swell, expand and contract like, expansion joints on a bridge. With this hydro, we have that thermal stability. And, what I've noticed, operating machines for years and years of air-cooled operating is the machines will start to break down after a few years because they've gone through, hundreds and hundreds of those cycles of expanding and contracting with that temperature change every day. With hydro, we just have perfect flat line stability, so it doesn't put so much stress on the machines.
The closed loop, it only passes through the miners themselves and the distribution system, and it's not exposed to the outside air. That is made up of 50% water and 50% propylene glycol, which is a antifreeze coolant, and it provides also corrosion protection and other properties, and a very efficient heat transfer medium. And then the other side, the open side, is just plain water, which is only treated for to prevent biological growth or corrosion and those things.
The units come equipped with a lot of different safeguards for flow, cooling pressure, cooling temperature. The miners themselves have safeguards to shut themselves down if they get too hot. There's leak detection in the box, so that if any of the miners' cooling starts to leak, you'll get an alarm.
The hash rate has been able to stay stable through the whole range of temperature in the area where we operate. The temperatures are quite, or the variation is quite large. We haven't experienced winter yet, but we've operated in a 40-degree, upper 40s up through, like he mentioned, 104 degrees. Hash rate has been rock solid the whole time. So I think this is a technology that it's going to move the entire industry forward.